tuloy pa rin tayo for our Nutrition Month potluck celebrating the 51st Nutrition Month. So get ready for a delicious competition showdown and a feast celebrating healthy eating. Remember, eat well, get well, work well.
Ano nga ba talaga ang health sa palagay mo? Ang health is ang totoong real wealth natin. Pag hindi mo inalaga ng health mo, yung pagkain mo, yung mga kinakain mo, hindi mo alam kung ano yung mga content yun, kung marami ba yung fats, marami ba yung fiber, marami ba yung tawag doon, protein. Kung hindi mo yung balance or naliliven, hindi mo alam kung healthy yung kinakain mo.
Director's opening remarks, Nutrition Potluck Fest. Welcome to our Nutrition Potluck. Today, we're celebrating the power of food to nourish our bodies and bring us together.
So first judge, while not a nutritional expert, he grew up in a large family where healthy, affordable meals were a priority. He's fond of watching YouTube about the diverse cultural cuisines and his mother's culinary expertise give him a unique perspective on nutritious food preparation. Please welcome first Judge Ferdinand Capile. Okay, say something about the Nutrition Month.
Okay. Greet everyone. Good morning. Despite of the weather and the suspension of work and classes, the show must go on.
Yeah.
So here we are, the people that were stranded in the office. So we are here to continue to move forward in spite of the bad weather. Anyway, I hope that all of you are safe and good morning.
Enjoy.
Her expertise shines through in the impressive dishes she prepares for our team building events. She is an Ilocana with a fascinating interest in grow, and glow food preparations. Her expertise will undoubtedly bring a unique and discerning eye to our competition. Let us welcome second judge, Christy Dekit.
Nasabi na nga ni Ferds na kahit umulan,
Tuloy pa rin.
padayon pa rin tayo.
Yes.
And then, sa pagluluto kasi, kailangan natin yung dedikasyon, yung a sprinkle of passion, and talent, at saka para maging success ang ating pagluluto.
Sharing Consolacion is from MSU Maguindanao. As of now, she's also not here today because of the weather. Sherin is also expertise in her field of culinary arts. So let's welcome Sherin Consolacion. Okay, our last but not the least, our fourth judge, she is the driving force behind MSU-MIO's comprehensive health and wellness program, which emphasizes both mental well-being and healthy eating. Her background as a registered nurse, coupled with her advanced degrees in public health and extensive teaching experience, provides her with the perfect qualifications to evaluate today's nutritious competition. Welcome, Fourth Judge Director Hannah Marquez.
Ang criteria po ng pag-judge na yung 40% is healthy nutrition factor. Explain the nutrition, the benefits, the vitamins, and the minerals. Yun yung sa 40%. Ang 30% naman yung affordability. Kumbaga, yung prepared niya na food is makamasaba. Pasok ba sa mga batang kumbaga walang kaya yung sa mga food. Yung 30% naman is visual presentation, the style, the design, the attractiveness. So, paano nyo explain, ano yung presentation na ginawa nyo, kung okay ba sa, judges, kung ano yung pinresentan yung dish nyo. ang according to Ma'am Hana, kung nakuha niyo is grow, dapat more on ano ba yung grow?
Grow.
Protein.
Meat. So kailangan may sakupal, may mix pero mas marami yung protein. Kung baga yung meat. Kung sa glow naman, mayroong mga kahalo din pero more on
Glow.
ano ba yun? Glow. Yung,
Leafy vegetable.
Yung mga vegetable, yung fruits, andun pa rin yung dapat na bunot nyo na ano na ipapresenta nyo. Kung sa ano naman go, kailangan kahit hindi siya lahat ano, pero nandun pa rin yung go foods. Kung rice, yung carbohydrate. Kung rice, lahat rice, pero mas may mga kasama pero mas nangingibabaw yung rice. Yun yung sinabi ni Ma'am Hana. Sana na-explain ko mabuti.
Explain naman.
Araw-araw dapat tayo ay mag-ehersisyo. At dapat tandaan, umiwas tayo sa mga bisyo. Kung di mo alam, ang junk foods masama sa'yo. At kailangan iwasan para may healthy body tayo. Kung maisip mo
Assalamualaikum and welcome to our humble program that Ma'am Hana conduct, although may bagyo. Well, we are a group 2, consists of 3 people headed by Sir Raymer, myself, and Miss Queenie from MSU IIT.
May mga
The group name is the Nutri Go Getters. Why is it the name we selected? It is because the name itself, Nutri Go Getters, is implying action and energy. It also suggests a proactive and enthusiastic approach to healthy eating. Well, kaya tayo nag-conduct nito dahil aside sa office order, medyo mahaba po ang aking presentation since wala naman po yung pangatlong grupo namin ngayon.